What's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob.
It's a little bit scary, boys wanna marry. Looking in my diary, and you can stare, but if you touch it, I'm a fairy. Pretty as a picture, sweeter than a swisher. Mad cause I'm cuter than the girl that's with you.
Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Nadula Hair Company. They sent me over a bob wig, and if you've been tuned into me, you know I just got back from vacation. So I really want to try something really sophisticated and cute for the fall. And I think that this Yaki bob will be perfect for the fall. So let's go ahead and get into it. So guys, let's go ahead and unbox our new wig. Inside the package, we received our wig, of course, and then along with our wig, we also received an edge band, an edge brush, and an HD wig cap. So now let's get into the details of our wig. This wig is Nadula Hair Company's Bye Bye Knots Yaki Straight Bob wig, and the closure on this wig is 7x5. It does come pre-bleached, pre-plucked, all those good things, and ready to wear. This is what the inside construction of the cap and the lace looks like. And as you guys can see in the back, it does come with a drawstring elastic band for a very easy, comfortable fit, completely glueless. Alright guys, so now that we've gotten into the details of this wig, I am just going to go ahead and try her on right out of the box. Like I told you guys, it is a 7x5 closure, so this should be an easy install. If you guys are not caught up, I did cut my hair. I did a big chop like a few weeks ago. So if you see this wig kind of big at the top, it's because underneath my hair is not braided or anything. It's literally just a TWA, a little afro, and I put my cap over it. So we are doing what we can with what we got. This is how it looks right out of the box. It fits really, really good. Like, I love how the cap is shaped because it goes around my ear. Like, there's a curvature around my ear to fit perfectly. So that is like amazing. What I'm gonna do with this wig is I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it. You guys know this is a Yaki texture, but I want to show you guys just how straight the Yaki texture can get. And then after we straighten her, I am going to add a few curls in here to give it like that really effortless look. So I'm going to show you guys two different looks that you can do with this glueless bob. Let's get into it. First thing first, guys, this wig does not have to be glued down. You guys see it is like fitting snug on my head without being glued down, but I do like to camouflage this lace right here. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of my Got to Be spray, and I'm just going to spray that around the edges a little bit. Nothing crazy. We don't want to glue her down because we are going to use this as like a throw on and go wig where we can take it off and put it back on whenever we want. So not too much glue, just a little pat, pat, pat with the Got to Be spray. Same thing on the other side. And you can see the difference between what it looked like before I put the Got to Be spray on there and how it looks now. So now let's go ahead and put our edge band on, and then we're going to get into straightening this hair. Y'all, I just thought about something. I actually did review this wig a few years ago. This wig came out so cute. They have made a lot of new adjustments to this wig though. And I just think that it's so much better now, from the texture of the hair to the way the wig fits on my head, and also this drawstring elastic band in the back. I think they are really upgrading. Listening to some of the complaints that you guys might put in the comment section. So shout out to Nadula for upgrading this wig and a few of their other wigs. All right, so now, I know I said I was gonna do it earlier, but I keep talking, so let's go ahead and straighten this hair out. Okay, y'all, so I have finished straightening the bob, and it is giving, what's your name, B.O.B.? So they calling you Bob. That's what it's giving, y'all. It looks so good. I don't know if I'm about to, you know, show my age here, but I know a lot of the girlies do not like the bumped under bobs, but I kind of like it. It gives my mom back in like the 90s and early 2000s. My mom used to always wear bobs, or like the half wigs that look really, really natural. I just think that bumped over look just gives like 90s, early 2000s vibes. Y'all, I'm rambling. But like I told y'all earlier, my hair is not braided down. It's not slicked down underneath the hair. So I think y'all can see the wig is looking a little big at the top. Don't blame Nadula for that. Blame me, okay? I should have prepped my hair underneath the hair, but I didn't. So what I'm gonna do to get this nice and flat at the top is I'm gonna go in with my hair iron. As y'all can see, we use this only for hair, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and use this iron just to press down the top of my hair and get that nice and flat. Tell me you don't see the difference already. Like, this is a game changer. You don't have to do this at home. I wouldn't even suggest you to do this at home, for real. But if you do, just make sure your iron is not super, super hot. It's just hot enough to get it flat. I don't know about y'all, but to me, that just made this wig look 100 times better. Like I said, do not blame Nadula if your hair is not prepped underneath. Just do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. Now that that's done, I do want to go in with my hot comb too. But I do need to take this band off and see what the lace is giving. And I also want to tighten up this wig in the back with this drawstring. Because whenever I tighten up the drawstring, honestly, y'all, it makes the lace like just lay. Like it just kind of glues it down for me even more. So just tightening up that elastic band, that elastic drawstring in the back, tucking it into the wig, and y'all, this is pretty much what the wig looks like right out of the box. Tell me this is not a look. But we're not done yet. I am not feeling the way the front of this looks, so we need to get it together. I'm about to go in with my hot comb and a little bit of my wax stick, and we are going to make this closure look like a closure. I don't really want the hair pulled back this way. I kind of want it to lay flat. So let's get into it.
Now here's a story about a woman with dreams. So picture perfect at 13 and ebony queen. Beneath the surface, it was more than just a quick smile. Nobody knew about a secret, so it took a while. I could see a tear fall slow down a black Jeep, shedding quiet tears in the backseat. So when she asked me, what would you do if it was you? Couldn't answer, such a horrible pain to live through. I tried to trade places in the tragedy. I couldn't picture three crazy niggas grabbing me. For just a moment, I was trapped in the pain. Lord, come and take me for niggas violated. They chased and they raped me, even though it wasn't me. I could feel the grief thinking with your brains blown. That would make the pain go no. You gotta find a way to survive, cause they win when your soul dies. Baby, please.
So guys, y'all know I'm always going to be honest with you guys about what I like and what I don't like. I think that this bob could have been a little fuller, honestly. Like, it looks so good, but I just wanted a little bit more density to the hair. What I'm going to do is I'm going to clip the ends of this just to make it a little bit fuller. I feel like the ends here are just a little bit thin for my liking. So let's go ahead and do that.
I saw you swimming, I started recently. I knew you too. And just like a morning, you were too shy, but you weren't the only one, so was I.
Like way more my vibe. I do like this short in the back, long in the front look, but I think that the just even look all around is more my vibe. And it also honestly just made this hair feel a lot fuller. So I am loving it now. Let's just go ahead and bump those ends once again. I'm not gonna do like a crazy bump, y'all, but I do want it to give like, what's your name, B.O.B., so they calling you Bob. I'm sorry, y'all. It is like 9 p.m. and I do get a little goofy when I'm tired, but I wanted to knock this video out for you guys because I really want to wear this wig for the rest of the week. Tell me what y'all think. The bob turned out. I think it looks so good. It's giving grown and sexy. It's giving fall. The one thing I love about bobs is that there's no like, you know how like there's a chestnut, you know, burgundy season, which is fall, and then we have like the blondes in the summer. I feel like it's always bob season, like always, honestly. So let me know down below what you guys think about the bob. Do some flat iron curls, nothing too crazy. I want to do like a loose curl. I have a certain look in my head, so I'm just hoping that it comes out the same way that I'm picturing it.
Time will bring the real end about your brow. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. I hope you feel the same.
So this is actually what I was trying to get with this bob. I want it to be like that messy, flowy look. These type of looks always just give me grown woman. So guys, this is the second look right here. I am actually feeling it. I'm not sure if I like it better straight or curl. So you guys can let me know down below which one you guys like better. I'm feeling both. I think both look really good. And again, this is the Yaki texture, so it looks so natural. I actually love it. Shout out to Nadula Hair Company once again for sending me over this really pretty bob wig. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, make sure to check out the description box. All the details will be down below. Leave me some feedback while you're at it. Comment down below and let me know if you prefer this wig straight or if you prefer this wig in these cute, messy curls. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.